Extra tall beach chair. The Tommy Bahama extended seat height backpack chair offers hands-free portability and is lightweight to carry at only 9 pounds. Portable folding chair. Adjustable, backpack shoulder strap with large storage pouch to help carry and store your beach towel and accessories. All-day comfort. Flexible suspension design supports and conforms to your body. Safe reclining. Recline without the worries of pinching fingers and hands with the Safe Adjust technology built into the wooden armrests with 4 reclining positions. Premium beach accessory. Includes seat-side zippered pouch, cell phone pocket and cup holder. Durable chair. The rust-proof aluminum frame is all weatherproof with a seat height of 17 off the ground. Seat height, 17 inches. Weight capacity, 250 pounds. Open dimensions. 24.25 x 25, 75 by 38. Folded dimensions, 24.25 by 4.5 by 35.75. Top reviews from the United States. Comfortable chair at the beach, ABND so easy and light to carry. Sign: I was in need to buying a new beach chair. I was attracted toward to the name Tommy Bahama and knew my son would like it also. I ordered it. Perfectly attractive in the sun, lightweight to carry and sturdy. Another satisfactory product from Amazon.